Alright, so I've chosen to do the waiting room, and I've built my little waiting room out of Lego rather than a cardboard box or something. I found it a lot easier. I'll slowly take over the things that I've built. So what we've got in here, firstly we'll start off with the doors actually. So with the doors, I've chosen to do double doors. The reason I've chosen to do that is to accommodate for people in wheelchairs and stuff. If you've got double doors, obviously you've got a lot more room access to be able to fit somebody in a wheelchair in, and that'll be shown when I bring in a wheelchair little Lego person in a minute or so. Other designs I chose to do was the emergency button, which is depicted by these little two notches here. We've got our bench height, which should probably be around about just 1 metre. Now we don't want it too high so that anybody can access it, anybody in a wheelchair or standing themselves. We've got our seats just over here. I've gone with the adjacent seats anyway, but I've given them a lot more leg room because the scenario said not to give them enough leg room. And the other thing that I've added in the little self-service checkout here, which these two green coloured things here, they're going to be tablets. So basically with the tablets, anybody can come in, access them, they can move them around, and yeah, they can do that self-service, but they've still got obviously the receptionist there if they have any questions. Nice and easy. What we'll do is I'll just show you how a wheelchair person is going to come in. So I've got a little wheelchair person just here. They're going to be able to come in through the door, be able to use all the way up here, use your tablets, do whatever they need to do, ask any questions if they need be, and then they can easily go sit off over here. Nice and easy, as you can see there. The plan itself actually worked quite well using Lego because I could sort of do anything I wanted. And then basically it accommodates sort of everybody as I've kind of explained. So with the other thing was the importance of the height of the emergency stop button or emergency button if need be. It's got to be small enough to be able to cover everybody, but not too tall that even not little kids, but kids over probably the age of 6 or 7 can't reach. So you want anybody over the age of 7 to be able to reach that. And that's shown by this little person in here. He's easily able to access it, okay? And that's obviously probably a full-grown adult, but still. Okay, nice and easy.